Good morning, gang. Today is Thursday, September 24th. It's another Bow Tie Thursday, 2 for 1 this week. Gotta love it. A couple of things. First of all, there's a slight change today in how you are going to mark as done when you're done with your work for the day. So pay special attention to the end of this video in step 6 because you're not just going to be able to mark as done. Anyway, your task for today. First, you are going to check your answers to your Learning Targets daily check. You should have completed yesterday 5 through 8, which means your entire packet on your daily checks 1 through 8 should be done at this point. But you're going to start today by checking your answers for 5 through 8 just to see how you're doing there. If you're on the right track, great. If you're not, if you're making some mistakes, see if you can't go back to previous days' videos to watch some of the instructional videos to kind of help you fix your mistakes, or send me an email. Then after that, there is another little half sheet. You were given this, or it's in your pickup bag. It looks like this. And what I want you to do after you've checked your answers on Learning Targets 5 through 8, I just want you to complete that half sheet. You're basically drawing and labeling continents and oceans and major lines of latitude and longitude. Then, when you're done with that, you are going to be working on your blue vocab handout. Your blue vocab handout. This is a biggie. We got a vocab quiz coming up, not for a little bit yet, but you do have your vocab handout right here. You should have been given that, or it's in your pickup bag. And what I want you to do, on the front, I would like you to do questions 1 through 15. 1 through 15. And what you're going to do, you're going to read the sentence, and then you are going to underline or highlight context clues. For example, in the first one, it says, airline pilots give an exact address or latitude and longitude to show their absolute location while contacting the control tower. So there is your sentence. And then if we were to underline the context clues, we might underline exact address or latitude and longitude, because exact address and latitude and longitude are context clues that help you understand, in this case, the key phrase absolute location. The second one we have on here is when giving the relative location of Minnesota, most people would say it's south of Canada. And there again, we have another context clue. South of Canada. So that's what you're going to do on the front page, 1 through 15. 1 through 15 on the front page. Then, on the inside page, we get to a matching activity. And what you're going to do with that matching activity is you're basically taking the words from here, from the word bank, from the processing image page, and you're trying to match them with their definitions. But again, we're focusing on 1 through 15, so really the key words that you're looking at trying to match with definitions are the words found in 1 through 15. So you can ignore any of the vocab in 16 through 25. And so, for example, the first one that we're matching is absolute location, or the first one that we are matching is absolute location on our processing page. And so what we would want to do is we want to find the definition in the matching section for absolute location. And so I'm just going to kind of skim through here and see if I can find the definition for absolute location. And there we have it. The precise point where a place is located on Earth. And so you would just write absolute location. All right, so I just matched absolute location, which was our first term, and it's also our first term here. I just matched absolute location with its definition. And so you're going to want to do that for the first 15 as well. And then it comes to the sketches. You're going to want to do the sketches for the first 15 terms. And the sketches, again, they're visuals. They're visual representations of the terms and the concepts. You're not going to be graded on your artistic ability with this, but give it your best shot. So for example, for absolute location, the sketch that I like to do is I draw a grid like what we have here, and then I draw a little arrow to the point signifying absolute location. So you're going to work on your blue vocab handout. Again, you're going to start on the first 15 just doing the context clues, then you're going to try and match those 15 words with their definition, and then you're going to work on the sketches for those 15. After you have finished that up, It's Gimkit time. That's right, we haven't played a Gimkit in quite a while, and if you've never played Gimkit, oh boy, are you in for a treat. There is a link down below in Google Classroom to join our Gimkit class. You're going to click that link. You're going to log in with your school Google account. You're going to click that link and log in with your school Google account, and then you're going to go to the Gimkit Hub. The link is also in Google Classroom. You're going to go to the Gimkit Hub, and you will see an assignment there for Unit 1. I would like you to attempt that Unit 1 assignment in Gimkit. It's not graded, but it's just a little vocab practice to have some fun. And then lastly, your final thing that you're going to be doing for today is, like I said, we're not going to be clicking mark as done when we're done with our work for the day. You'll notice that today's agenda post has a little question mark by it, and that's because it's no longer an assignment post, but it's a question post. And if you look down at step 6, it says, new! Answer today's question. Use the political map of Africa. Is the country of Cape Verde, which is an island country in Africa, east or west of 20 degrees west? So there is a political boundaries map of Africa linked for you. It looks a little bit like this, but using that political boundaries map of Africa, you are going to answer that question. And when you answer that question, that's how you will know that you are done with the day for today. So, quick recap. Check learning targets 5 through 8. Check your answers. Complete the draw/label of the continents, oceans, and hemispheres. Do some vocab work in your blue vocab handout. Play Gimkit, and then answer the question to close it out for today. That's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions or if there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. I hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you later. Remember, be bold, be kind, and make good choices. See ya.